Hi, Tom here for Do-It-Yourself DiyAirCaster. Welcome to my shop. My garage here is 24 by 32. I like to work with metal. I also like to work with wood. The trouble with woodworking equipment is when it's set up, it generally takes up a lot of room in a small shop. So I store all my equipment against the wall. Today we're going to float my 391-pound table saw. So I need my table saw. So I turn the vac on, pressure up the platform, float it out into the middle of the floor. Once I get it where I need it, turn the vac off, it sinks back down onto the floor. Generally with a table saw, if you're ripping boards, you need 10 or 8 feet on this side, 8 or 10 feet in the back side of the saw. Once you're done, I no longer need it, it's in the way. I just hit the vac, pressure up the platform, put it back against the wall. Pretty slick. Now you can have bigger, more powerful machinery that you don't have room for, but you store it against the wall like a jointer or a planer. Float them out where you need them, do the work. Once you're done, float them back against the wall. If you're interested to see how I made the bottom of that platform, check out our website. I think you'll have fun with it. Thank you.